Hey, hello, welcome to Asal Digitals. My name is Paul. I want to show you a website that will help you remove image background or picture background with just a click, and it's free. Now let's begin. This site is called Removebg, where you can just upload your images and it will just remove the background. Now let's begin. Let me show you how you can do that. Just come here, upload image, then it will you go and open where image is, which I'll come here under downloads, the images I want to. Now let's start with the first image, this one here. Then we just open. Then you just wait for a few minutes. No, sorry, for a few seconds anyway. Then boom, then the image background is just removed like that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just to download. Then a second, it has just downloaded just like that. Let's view the image. First image here. Yeah, the background is gone. Now you can use this image, you can even combine it with other images. Now let's try another one. Let's just minimize this one here. Let's try another. Just come back here and then just scroll up, then look for another image. Maybe I choose this one here, then open. Maybe if you're having a difficulty removing image background using Photoshop, you can use this app here. Then we just come here, remove background. After a few seconds, boom, the background is just removed. If you want to look at the original, here it is. Then I just download. Then a few seconds, here it is, already downloaded. If I just want to view it, here is the image, the background is gone. So let's try another one. Just scroll up again, upload image. Then I'll look for the image again. Maybe I try this image here. Now let me try a vehicle this time, not a human being. Then open. Just give it a few seconds. There you are, it's moving as you can see here. Then boom, you only have the vehicle. The background is removed. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll just download. Then in a second, there we are. So I want to see, here's the background, it's removed. So guys, that's how to remove your background using this site called Removebg. Then you can just download your video, your images. You can use them in your projects. You can combine them with other images. Guys, watch my next video. Also go to the description section. You'll find more useful content, more links to useful content that I've done before. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.